सिमरन नागपाल फ्रॉम द पोडियम ऑफ दिल्ली ग्लैमर्स और आज मैं हूँ राइज एंड शाइन इवेंट में। मेरे साथ एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल वुमन है। शी इज़ सच अ वंडरफुल वुमन। आई हैड अ शॉर्ट कॉन्वर्जेशन विद हर और मैंने उनके बारे में इतना कुछ जाना दैट आई रियली वांटेड all of you to know that who she is and look at the beautiful smile that she carries. So here with us we have Miss Bhavna. Hi Bhavna ma'am, how are you doing?
Thank you, Simran. I'm very happy, and I'm very happy and glad to be a part of this show here, even.
We are also so happy to meet such a wonderful person like you, ma'am. So, what is it that you are doing in life, ma'am? We would like to know a short story of yours.
Okay. So, I am actually a spiritual healer, but because I had to have a brain surgery 16 years ago, and doctors had no way they could help me out, medical science was limited. I wouldn't sleep for hours, I wouldn't sleep for 6 months, and I was on sleeping pills, anti anxiety pills with small children, and a lot of crying and suffering was happening in my life. That is when, after suffering for 8 years, I was introduced to alternate therapy, and that's where my life changed. And I have not been on medication for 9 years now. I'm off medication, just on meditation, and I am empowered to take care of myself, independent, confident, also to take care of my children financially and support even my parents when they need.
दिस इज़ सो वंडरफुल। व्यूअर्स आप देख रहे हैं कि हाउ नाइस इट इज़ टू नो हर जर्नी। उन्होंने कितने सिंपल शब्दों में बता दिया कि किस तरह से उनकी जर्नी चली। आई एम रियली ईगर टू नो मोर। लेट्स हियर इट आउट फ्रॉम हर। सो मैम, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग बीइंग अवॉर्डेड हियर टुडे?
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम सबको अवार्ड्स जब मिलते हैं, इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ रिवॉर्ड फ्रॉम हेवन, बिकॉज we do stay in the world where souls empower us, but we also stay in the world where when one sees the other, आप दूसरे को देखते हो तो आप इंस्पायर होते हो। इस अवार्ड के माध्यम से मुझे ये पता चल रहा है कि हम सब जितने भी लोग हैं, एक दूसरे से जब अवार्ड हमें मिलता है तो हम इंस्पायर होते हैं, मोटिवेट होते हैं। मुझे ये मौका मिला कि अवार्ड मुझे मिल सके, देने वाले इतने पावरफुल और इतने सोलफुल लोग हैं कि आई फील देयर इज़ अ मीनिंग टू दिस अवार्ड एंड इट एड्स ऑन टू माई लाइफ.
So very well said, ma'am. Also, what do you have to say about the organizers of this event, Rise and Shine, MentorX? What do you have to say about the people who are behind the show?
I'm here only because of Mr. Munish, who is behind the power and the organization MentorX. And it was just a matter of chance that I was introduced to him 2 years ago on internet. And from there, I got an opportunity to spread my work. It is because he invited and Dr. Sangeeta that I got the courage to come in the forefront and share about my life experience to motivate people. They are amazing people. They are doing wonderfully well. They are supporting and creating platform not only for women but for men to bring the womanhood in them, to empower the compassion that a woman has. These men have it inside them. So we are not only empowering women as in women, but we are also getting opportunity to empower men who are taking care of all of us with the women inside them.
Excellent, Sadly. I mean, you said it so beautifully, ma'am, that I am now short of words because I've heard so much from you already कि मेरे पास तो शब्द ही खत्म हो गए हैं. Thank you for bestowing our platform here, and it was really nice meeting you. We shall connect with you for more. There are a lot of things that we need to do together. Thank you. And here, everyone, I am Simran saying ciao to you because there is lots more to come. For now, bye-bye.
Thank you so much.